guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm just like over here in a cornfield because my friend over there is doing a vlog.
Yeah!
What's your YouTube?
Todd's Adventures Vlogging!
Go subscribe. So I've literally just come for a walk, like to this nature reserve place. Oh my god, I just got stung by a nettle. Sorry, sad. So we've just come for like a nature walk. You can like see my friend like vlogging in the background. So, yeah. So we've just come for a nature walk. Basically there was this like, it's like kind of like a waterfall thing, but it's not really. It's kind of like a waterfall. We just went in for a bit. We just sat down there. We went to a shop. I got some food and a drink. We're basically just going for a walk. We've come down this little path like away from like the water. But we're gonna go down here and explore what's down here, because sometimes you can find some good stuff down here. So let's go.
I'll go
down here.
Oh my god! Honey.
Yeah, okay, that was a bee.
Was it?
Why are you scared of a bee?
I don't like bees.
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Sorry, just like fell. Sorry, just fell down the
I'm nearly
like hill thing. Like
help!
You can't come down like me. So I'm just like over here. Just my camera. So I'm just over here. There's not really much down this place, but I could come down here with like my dog and stuff. Go for a walk with my dog. What? You can come down here. Come on, it's fine. She's just like, I don't know, but like there's some like foam things for some reason, and you can see the water like over there. But I'm gonna go back up the hill now to save my friend the trouble of having to come down here. There's like other places along the path where you can go. There's like other places. How am I gonna get up here? I'm not even joking. Can't. No, it's not. You're not gonna be able to hold my weight.
I'm strong enough.
How am I supposed to get up here? It's fine. I can do it.
Don't slip.
I won't.
You hold on to grass to save your life.
Grass saves my life every time. So we're gonna carry on walking down this path. It's like go down bits like that. We can go down places like that. And just basically find I find some so just yeah, I don't really have much to say.
I do.
Okay, what do you have to say?
If you don't like or subscribe on her videos, you're gonna get haunted.
Okay. So, she's very weird like that. She likes to do weird things because she is weird.
I am weird.
Weird's a good thing. I like being weird.
Mm.
It means you're not normal. So you're unique. Be weird, everyone. That is some advice for you. Be weird.
Don't be too weird.
No, don't be too weird, because then you'll probably get yourself
In trouble.
locked up.
Probably.
So we'll just keep walking down this path until we find like another place to go down and have a look.
What's next? We're gonna go
You
down
can
there.
see all the water and trees, but the trees are probably blocking it actually. See all the water. And there's like a massive house up there for some reason. I don't even know what that is.
Hospital.
So, how long does it take to get down here? I'm not even joking. Right, get to the side because there's like a load of bikes going past. So, the next place we're going to go is down there.
What?
Down there. That's easy to get down.
Easy.
That's easy. So you just have to wait for a load of bikes.
That's not easy.
So
But it
you just-
actually is.
Oh my god. Right. So this is another place
Flip.
which is nice. I used to have like picnics and stuff here for some reason. It's a nice spot. Oh my god, you ready?
No, slip.
Okay. I guess we're not going to go down there actually.
Oh my god.
That's easy. What the? Just walk up here like this. Right. So we've come back. So we've like come back up. Hey. And we're gonna like go down to a place where you can find loads of shells and stuff, like shells. Well, yeah, you know what shells are. But
Not
you
good
know.
idea to buy live. What going down there?
No, that's the place where you can find shells. Let's go down here.
No.
Yeah, we have to.
See how steep that is?
It's fine, you can do it, believe in yourself.
No, you're not going to be able to come back up.
I will.
No, you're going to fall.
Don't say that. You're scaring me.
It's not a good idea, Molly.
It is. And I'm gonna do it. Yeah, maybe not. But I'm kind of stuck now anyway. So I've kind of got it. Oh god, I'm stuck. My hand's sweaty.
It's okay.
I get sweaty hands. I'm
God,
sorry.
it's wet.
I know. I told you. You didn't listen.
You didn't listen to me when you were going to get stuck.
Well, I listened to you then because I was gonna get stuck, and that's
Then you
my
stopped.
life. What?
Then you stop. Literally stop.
We can get down this one though.
Can we?
Yeah,
That
that's
actually
easy.
looks steep.
That's easy to get down. So we're gonna go down here.
You're going to go down there.
No, this is well easy to get down.
It's quite steep.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's like a load of litter
I'm down.
and water. You can see water. That water looks so nice today. Like, I really want to go swimming in that. But anyway, we're gonna go down this path, and I think this is the place where you get shots. Sometimes if you walk down here, but I don't think the water's like high enough today. No, it's probably not. Like, there's a load of nettles
Oh,
down
I'm
there.
not doing that.
And I have shorts on, so it's probably not the best idea. But I don't think there's any more to talk about or anything, so I'm going to end the video here. So that's been my second vlog. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for your support. Wow, that sounded so cheesy. Thanks for your support, that sounded so cheesy. But yeah, so thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.